athi nginibingelele nje bafowethu kuyi-Friday ilanga liyoshona. I-Friday enhle nje. Bafowethu ngithi bengithi ngizothula nje yazi kulezi insuku bengithi ukuphuma kancane kule ndaba emara kunzima ke bafowethu nokuthula ngoba inkinga enkulu esibhekane nayo bafowethu kakhulu manje isimo siya ngokuya siba worse kuba nzima kakhulu bafethu. Umuntu ongaboni kulungile lo khetha ukuthi angaboni abe ignorant bafethu. Le ndaba yama illegal foreigners la eMzansi iya ngokuya iyashuka, abanye bayothi bayibheka sekonakele sekushube kakhulu bafethu. Nginenkinga nje eyi-one. Bengibuka enye video kaMalema nje manje like mhlawumbe benginika isikhathi ngambheka. UMalema ukhuluma into ebuhlungu kakhulu bafethu. UMalema le ndoda bengithemba kakhulu, bengithi indoda nje eyosikhulula ngelinye ilanga like UMalema. I know there's something wrong about uMalema bafethu. Ngathi khona into wrong ayidlile or ayidlayo. uMalema bafethu ume ngale kulabantu laba bokuhamba abala ngokungemthetho. Hayi mfethu uyabavuna uthi impela yena uyofa nabo. So ke uMalema right bafethu, right kakhulu uMalema ngokuphumela balo. uSomizi ke wayenza lento bafethu. uSomizi waphumela obala ukuthi yena uyabenefita kulabantu laba bokufika abala abangenamaphepha, because uSomizi ushuthi yena akafuna ukubhadala abantu bala eMzansi. Akusho ukuthi akunamuntu wala eMzansi ongekawenza umsebenzi wokcleana ijaridi. Thina sikhule sisebenza emajaridini singacleana, but uSomizi ufuna laba azohlala ngabo abanikeze lo 2 rand abanika wona, bamwashele yonke into yakhe le abanike lawo. Akafuni laba bala eMzansi, because abala eMzansi guys, thina we are not slaves. We South Africans, we are not slaves, we are free. So uSomizi they want ama slaves, abantu abazo benza noma yini. Thina we are free guys, we've got freedom. Sesaphuma emabhandeni okuba ama slaves. So uSomizi yena ufuna sibuyele back kuma slaves. Lasho khona yena akushilo aphumule bathi uya benefit, but uMzansi yiwo obuseka uSomizi azafike la bekhona. But namhlanje uSomizi ubonga ngalo iplate lamasimba, uthi nalike iplate engibonga ngalo. So ke noMalema right guys, mayethi one day foreigners they are gonna be our employers. Right uMalema cause uyena owavikelile lama illegal foreigners ukuthi abe la. Uyena uMalema otshele ukuthi thina Nigerians are South Africa, South Africans are Nigerians. Uyena uMalema kwenzile as a leader ye-EFF. I-EFF guys, umuntu osavotela i-EFF mina bafethu angazi ukuthi unjani. Yabona nje le genge le ye-EFF guys ne-ANC ayibafana mina ayibafana ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani bafethu. Bafethu sithwele kanzima ilezi inhlangano zenu nje ezimbili. Ngiyakubona lokho kunye bafethu. EFF ne-ANC bafethu anisithwalise kanzima. I-ANC ke mfethu ijoka since yalibeka from 1994. Lokho ilibekile sengize ngaba mdala, sengize ngiyaguga ngiyoba likhehla, lokho ijoka lihlezi i-ANC ilibekile kithi. So bafethu kubhlungu oMalema mabesitshela thina siyosebenzela ama foreign ngoba vele ama Nigeria nikeza abantwana bethu ama drugs, ukuthi thina South Africa isizwe bafethu esingenawo intsha, isizwe esingenayo iyouth, esingenabo abantwana, leso sizwe sifile. So uma beqeda ngalabantwana laba vele ayisekho generation enye. Then Nigerians they will come down from the west beze la eSouth Africa bezothatha, already sebethathile over amanye ama provinces wethu. That's why uthola kuyaliwe kwezinye indawo. Bengibuka enye video bedubulana belwa beshana lapha eCape Town guys, kunzima. oMalema bathulile uqathu uzositshela sosebenzela labantu, mara why uMalema azizwisa ubhlungu kanje soMzansi besimkhonzile. Ingiphathe kabi kakhulu guys indaba kaMalema. I think yiyo ngenze le video, bengafuna kwenza video kodwa nje bafethu nami bengithi angiphefumule nje ukuthi siyabonga Mr Malema, siyabonga Silo, siyabonga kakhulu bhuti.
Hey, sengazi ukuthi abaseduze nale ndoda ekuthiwa uCIC uJulius Malema, uJuju, sebengamtshela manje ukuthi ngoba hayi isiphelile. Usedanse kakhulu isikhathi eside, sekwanele manje ingoma isiphelile, akahlale phansi. Uyabona uCIC kade hambe engcofa wonke umuntu, ngisho ama families athize emase kuye wakuyena uba sensitive, uyakhala kuzenza ingane, wenza yonke into. Uqale ngokuthi ahlasele lapha uGeneral Mkhwanazi singekho isidingo, futhi emhlasela ezidlangalaleni ngebhadi wayibonela ukuthi akayitholi isupport lapha. Naye washaqeka isimo asibona. Uthe mangabe sibona wasefuna ukuyishintsha lento ngoba amazwi wayesewaphimisile, esefuna ke manje ukwenza okuhlukile ukuthi le yankulumo sengazi ukuthi singayikhohlwa kalula la emadlebeni ethu ukuthi uwakhuluma kabi ngezinto esibona ukuthi kufanele siphenye ezama ukuzenza ukuleva lapha. Uthe eshintsha wasekhuluma izinto ezihlukile, wangena indaba zalapha Eastern Cape kade zenzeka zokumasha kwemasheni mash. Nakhona lapho waphinde waboza futhi khuluma nje izinto ezingacaci ukuthi abantu uma bengenawo ama document kuyafana nje ngoba noma ungabathatha ubakhiphele ngaphandle bazobuya, noma ungabenzani kuyafana, kungcono ubanika ama document wazi ukuthi unawo. Kwaye kwadidaka ukuthi kanti lo muntu isima sakhe ikhanda selithatha kanjani kulo muntu, kodwa inhloso wawubona ukuthi ufuna kucishe leyando. Sekuningi kakhulu emva kwalokho, njengamanje ubhizi ujaha indaba yephalaphala, izona zinto afuna sikhohlwe ngazo. Akuzukubalula ke akuzukubalula kanjalo, leyanto ihlezi emakhanda ethu. Sizomkhumbula kahle nje ukuthi utheni, and sizofuna nje ukuthi leya nkulumo yakhe nane energy yayo hamba uxoxa lapha kuMadlanga. Kukhona iplatform enhle kabi lapha yokuyixoxa zonke lezi zinto ayikhulumayo. Uyabona la sikhuluma nge-EFF lento ingaba confuse babalandeli benhlangano. Asikhulumi nge-EFF, sikhuluma ngomholi, akayona i-EFF, umholi we-EFF. Into eyenzekalayo ukuthi mayisebona ziyamshaya wasebuyela ku-EFF ukuthi imvikele. Njengamanje iphasi phezulu iphendula yonke into ongayicabanga la, izama ukuzenza ama-PR akhe. Sekunana even noma ungena kuwonke ama social media post la banendlela nje ukuthi bathi bona abazokuyiphendula into yakho, bazokublocker. Owese ke usebafundisa inhlamba laba bantu laba banenhlamba embi kabi. Into ekade ingekho ke kulenhlangano. Uyabona mangabe isikhathi sesifikile ke ku CIC, siyamfikela nawo wonke umuntu, nawo bonke abaholi abakhona emhlabeni siyabafikela isikhathi esinjengale, sesifikile ke kuyena. Ingakho seshintshile se-aggressive enza yonke ayizumsiza ke le nto. Sifuna ukuyibona ngempela, akashesha volunteer nje ayiyele kuMadlanga Commission imhlalise phansi igibele phezulu kwakhe njengabanye.
Molweni madoda, kanincede kanimamele napha. uMalema wakhe wathetha into apha, ndifuna ukhe ndinibuze, khanimameleni apha. Emva koba egqibothetha uMalema ndifuna khe ndinibuze ndawugqiba ndiniyeke.
Stop hating on your future employers. These people are going to hire you. They are the most polite people. Even when they are educated, they still work for small jobs that pay nothing. They don't have pride.
Ndakwethu uyifollower ye-EFF, right? Inye nje into endifuna ukubuza yona. Njengoba sikhala ngama-foreigner thina apha angenamaphepha abulala abantu ogqiba ngene esirhangeni, sikhalela uba egcwele apha eSouth Africa esebenza mahala apha eSouth Africa engenamaphepha. uMalema waprove njani uba anawo afundile? Is there a way in which a person can prove undocumented people that they are educated or not? Does he have any kind of information that South Africa don't know about these people? If I may say, do you agree with me if I say Malema knows what is happening between these people, these foreign people that are coming to South Africa, what is happening between them and South Africa? Because while they refuse to give the documents to the officials of South Africa, they don't refuse to give the documents to Malema in order for him to know that they are educated. Because that statement alone was supposed to take him to jail. Him saying that these people are educated was supposed to be questionable. As a leader, it's very dangerous for him to have that kind of information about those people alone as a leader. They were supposed to have that kind of information, all of them, that these foreigners are fucking educated. How did he know that? Vuka, mtomnyama vuka. He's a scammer, right? So yintoni into enihleliseke kwi-EFF? Having him talking about these people are educated and in future they are going to be our employers. What is the meaning of that? What makes you stay in that fucking EFF mntana kuthi? Yintoni babrazi? Yintoni into embi kangaka ningafuni uva ningafuni like sometimes umuntu sekuthethwa nayo into eyibona bantakwethu yintoni into enifuna uba niyenze? Nifuna induku okanye nifuna ntoni? Sonile thina ngothi mawahamba makwelekwe lapha. Uyi-EFF member mntakwethu, uthembisela ngoba wena uyagoloza emlungwini because hamna ndiyayazi uba i-office yam ziphi mna. Uzoza nehuwa le-EFF uzolwelwa e-ofisini wedwa. Are you proud of that, bra? Are you proud of being okay alone in this fucking like suffering people like this, bro? Are you willing to sacrifice your people just for getting coins for you like alone, bro? That's being selfish. You are not willing to change a future that doesn't even belongs to you. Bantakwethu eseyiphekiwe ibolile. Osezelwe mdala kunabantu abazayo abaxhomekeke kwizigqibo thina esizithathayo ngelizwe. Yabona le mfitshi igqibo thetha. I've got questions for him. Ndilinikiniki ndilidlakadlaka kodwa ndidibanise naye noba sikwi-podcast naye. I don't care uba ukhumsha kangakanani okanye uprata kangakanani, we understand. Nzothetha loo nto ndiyivayo kodwa ndidibanise naye uMalema lo okanye ndidibanise nesinxiba mxhaka se-EFF esinamandla nothi inkunkuma ndidibanise naye. I've got many things to say about uni.
Fellow South Africans, hey, I'm so disappointed on I think mele ngimbize ngegama once uJulius Malema, i-leader ye-EFF. That's the way bengimthanda ngakhona Malema Joe. Malema bengimthanda, ngibona ngathi Malema uzoyishintsha South Africa yenze a better country, but wow, this guy ujikile lately Joe. I don't know ukuthi bamfeature in, I don't know ukuthi yini bamdlisa yona, something like bamdlisa yona, because the way actor ngakhona these days, this guy actor as if akabona ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa. Kuye everything ubona ku right nje, ubona ku right. Masingamthatha like uMalema since kumuntu wale kuma 1980s like sibheka ukuthi South Africa benjani like ngama 90s early 2000 before izoba overcrowded ngama legal foreigners, especially ama Nigerians, ama Zimbabwean. South Africa was a better country back then, but since kufikile abantu labo yabona na ukuthi South Africa senjani. Ageke ngisho nempumputhe mhlambe yabona ukuthi sekunjani. So disappointed my president. I used to love EFF ngiyithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke, ngibona ukuthi like izochinja our country, yenze a better country, but yo I was jikele these days, usjikele. I don't know ukuthi bakuphani labantu laba, I don't know. So whatever is happening right now, nalama allegations are against wena, like sesiwabone ngathi vele lezi zinto yazazi like we involve kulezi zinto likukhuluma ngakhona, because you are defender those people ngayo yonke into nayo, you are defending them. So the way kwenzeka khona kubonakala ezif vele unesandla. We don't know who was you, but the way right now sibona ngakhona bonakala ezif unesandla kuyo yonke lento yenziwa ama foreigner la eSouth Africa. Mr. Malema, I'm so disappointed. How can you say like good document ama foreigners ohlala eSouth Africa? Uyayazi ukuthi South Africa benjani back then? South Africa before kufika those people benjani South Africa? South Africa beyinhle irrespect of amanye ama country. But these days, have you ever like when like you are traveler, Mr. Malema, you are traveler, ya kuzo zonke lezi local like kuyo yonke indawo la eAfrica. Kuwa notice ama town wala abantu labo ukuthi kanjani. The way labantu babudlapha ngakhona. Labantu abavila ukulahla ipampas just la around them nje khona la eminyango. Baqhubeke ne life as if akuna something wrong. So ufuna South Africa ibe njalo. Abantu mabazama ukulwa abalwela country yabo ukufix country yabo, when are you against them? Usayida nalabantu bokufika. Caca ndoda kahle kahle umephi caca ukuthi umephi ndoda. Caca. Uthi kahle kahle umephi. Umephi sivula amabhoda avulelelwana amabhoda because amabhoda ngalesikhathi vela savalekile kusese straight. Bengekho yonke lento yenzekala. I'm so disappointed Malema kuwo. Okay, it's fine because when uhlala le kuBosanti le ugadi unama bodyguard. What about the ordinary people labangana ama bodyguard abahlala emakazi so uthi kwenzakaleni ngabantwana babo? Because when I know good very well abantwana bakho bayagadwa lapha khona. Akekho umuntu ongabathinta abantwana bakho. What about abantwana bethu? Ukwenzakaleni ngabantwana bethu bafe like isemathuneni every now and then thina sisemathuneni. What about this nyawupe segcwele ibulala abantwana? Uthi in future abantwana ba business nyawupe. That's why ngithi mina njengoba umuntu wangu 1980 something. Asibuyele back to early 90s, late 90s to even early 2000. Before this thing ngena deep ema location la South Africa. Kuthi bekunjani? Hayi khona nto. Mele ucace nto ukuthi umekuphi. Mele ucace. That's disappointing not as a country. I think nalama look at lama followers wakho like ama members wakho lapha ku EFF sebakhona nje cause abazi na ukwenzakala sebakhona nje lapha but ba disappointed so ndoda change ingqondo zakho ucaca ukuthi umephi sinabantwana nje nabantwana bethu bona bafa now and then hayi khona mali hayi khona mina ngikhulele kasi mina la ngikhulele khona ama tuck shop bothola ukuthi tuck shop ku section e1 ma uthola i tuck shop ama tuck shop manje estradini uthola ama tuck shop ayi5 strat nesi1 mina mangikhula i tuck shop beyiba 1 ku section la ngikhulele khona but manje we have more than 5 ama tuck shop estradini yini maPakistan abantwana bafana now and then babulawa izinto ebazidla lapha. Come on, caca ukuthi umephi Mr. Malema. Caca ukuthi umephi.
Julius Malema. I'm my leader Ostayela. My leader, you are stupid. You. Ah, man. Ah, what you? It is safe to say you are the dumbest politician to ever come out of South Africa ever since 1994. After Mdala, wena Grootman urtlala ka masepa wena. Or first time ngeze country ramohela batho ba lohoreng. The country is in shambles because of them. Apa SA is not in shambles because wena no look corrupt or mama no look corrupt. No. SA is in shambles because we have a lot of undocumented foreigners, broski. And the workforce here is taking advantage of that by means of doing what? Hiring these bozos and then underpaying them. Because they do know the South African person knows the law in Chaka. We know the constitution, we understand it by heart. Fuck. And who take half payment, whereas I know this is the minimum wage in my country. How will know the minimum wage of a country? So you are trying to have us accept abantu who are fucking up the country. And so if there's anyone who should be elected as a president, it should never be you, bruh. When province to province, but voting for you, we will never do it, Baba. You are the worst option ever. My brother, you are the worst option. You imagine South Africa, Julius Malema president. Imagine the nonsense like South Africa we think right now he's okay with foreigners roaming around, raping our women, doing all those kind of stupid shit. Yeah, by defend. The next time when they take over South Africa with a military coup, because all these things they are going to affect when the general public, not him. These politicians, they live in gated communities too. When they can put it right, if they have to. Stop listening to these fucked up politicians like Julius Malema. They live in gated communities too. They are always guarded 24/7. That is why half of the time they just be doing stupid shit on TV too, just in front of the camera, as if us now my feelings, as if we don't understand what's happening. How do you go on TV too? Oh, like a few years back you promised us you deal with this matter. You did not, you jackass. Then now you're starting to appear again on TV and you're telling us we should now leave them. So we are your babies. You think if today robots are jump, jump, and then after 2 days robots are jump, for a film momentum, robots are to then cause I wanna devote to the tower and I did election, and on Wira, or tomorrow Mantova to Marata and Mandova, and when I went to Rabashap. Since my Vika Jube go no taka ni bang me bra. Jube ga matangi me bra. Jube gidi chile as si nisha. And hona no hanya nanya ma go taka taka nsale pitor. And o dire ga rlo na ubon. Mara go so le politician na stela. Sala wena ga politician na DJ ya wena. Ah wena useless grot manaka. Na re na mo mpenye ba reng ke verina. Ye fanya o ira service delivery o re tla tso tlo ibetheka mu utlo lo tlhaotetse poleke. O rasa ona le maaka bothata. And o kwa se president wena. You are not supposed to be president of South Africa. Umsebenzi wakho wena uchubeke wenza ama rally, usenza ngathi wazi kakhulu, usenza ngathi uMgabe was your best friend, uphaphe nje. That's the least that you can do. Yakufanela lo. Anything besides that, take out the names of South Africans. Hey my nigga, stop talking about anything South African. Leave us out of it. Or not want it with confidence or when I want to be the Zimbabwean president. But now in the room, the leaders in Zimbabwe they don't even fucking like you. They are telling you how the charity begins at home. While you are busy trying to advocate for foreigners, who is advocating for people in your own country? You are a stupid leader, Julius Malema, man. Just because you live in a gated community, you wanna get us in trouble, those of us who don't live in gated communities, because when the war starts, or which is called civil war, so to say, when this kind of shit starts, who do you think is going to affect the most? It's not even going to affect a single politician, Joe. But when, as a general public, it's going to affect you. You like it or you don't, bruh. It is that way. I mean, fuck EFF. Every fool follows. That's what EFF mean. Every F fool, F follows. Every fool follows. Follow EFF. They are not politically conscious. Most of them, they're stupid. Hey, hello. Don't do that. Axi song is very what? No, bruh. I don't tell him Popo. I'm scared ready there. I don't say serious, me bruh. And I don't vote longer than serious. I just vote the you know, I never voted the way. I show me a zoom hole. So I'll let us happen. I don't me bruh. Like I was ama 2000 maka lire ma 2000 ditlela as politicians just ngirena ara nna re tlhare nna re lo bona me bra le sambashira la bona na re tsena ka barampa politiki next thing lo thomo digira ba dingwana ntse re rapeletsa le service delivery mareta lena le useless lena le phela family tsa lena fela. That's the only thing a politician iphilela mo South Africa, their own firm. Whereas as a politician, you will rosa in office in Chaco, send for what? To serve the general public. But you people are no longer serving the general public. Hey, Joe. Good lang fano mo nga Julius Malema, best leader. I can met Harampama. Why do I? Our best leader was Tim Bombo. Was Tim Bombo, and you're going to divide by South Africa. And you're going to make us fight within ourselves. You are a stupid leader, my brother. And I don't even know why ENCA or why SABC they're even giving you attention, bruh. Aye. First and foremost, your political party is not a state-owned entity. It's nonsense. So they shouldn't even be giving you coverage on a state television. Nah, they shouldn't be doing that. Every state network should cut your stupid ass out. Should only be ANC members. We don't need your party. Stop thinking that you are better. You're not better. We are okay with the old parties, bruh. And now your agenda keeps changing every day. So we don't even know what have you planned for this country. So you are full of cack. So you belong in the toilet, and I think it's okay that we leave you there in your politics in the toilet. Amen. Press. Yeah. Uzi. Why is it that Ufula Shivambo? Uvaile ku EFF. Why Tangafai? What is it that is killing his vibe in that political party? We are from straight, teacher. We are from Malamampo and slide. We are from B.
Straight.
Stimbombo. So, Scottish politicians in South Africa are Kaila. I was one when I ran to Yapi. Kerleful Shibambo, Tamail, EFF. Ubo no Hrotman and like Stimbombo. Oh, Nagaji, was Salagomara. Ejo now I got my EFF party about Hovolagata. Because everybody who follows EFF, they are bitter. They feel like killing people. They think South Africa owes them. They think they own something, and they don't own shit. They don't own shit. That is what happens when you have an ignorant leader. You also become ignorant. But EFF are winning South Africa. Except useless political party. It should always be ANC. But no matter what we say ANC did or fucked up, it's fine. Let's keep voting for this political party. Because remember, Joe, we cannot blame ANC for the cack that maybe Mr. Honorable President Ramaphosa or Nzama under their name. We cannot blame ANC. We blame him. Because we don't know how is the next leader going to treat us, Mafetu. The ANC. Remember that. And there's also this thing you guys think that if we vote out ANC we so better. No, there's a lot of political parties, but always consider ANC first. It does not matter no matter how corrupt they are, they never fuck up the system, so it's okay. They fucked up the system. What system did the ANC fuck up? The system was always fucked up. SA system has always been fucked up. It has always been fucked up. Remember, the system was never meant to serve the black person. It was always for white people. So before you blame ANC for certain things not going your way as a black person in South Africa, remember the system was fucked up from the get-go so that it does not serve you as a black person. It serves the white person. Remember that shit. How? You only got your fucking whatever freedom.
Julius Malema and the EFF want for South Africa to not have borders so that African nationals can come and pour into South Africa. So that the Ababandu bathengisa iziyobisi, abantu bathengisa drugs to come into our country. Benze intando yabo simply because they are African like us, simply because they are black like us. He doesn't want Nigerians, Zimbabweans to be deported back to their countries because it's xenophobia. To the people that are voting for EFF, guys, are you voting for EFF? Because this man and his political party, they are proving to you, they don't care about the safety of the South African people. Because why would you be advocating and wanting for illegal foreigners in South Africa to be documented? abalikhathalanga ilizwe lethu. They do not care about the South African people. They do not care about the South African economy. Bona xa bazele apha ozokwenza impambano bafumane le nto bafumane imali, bathena our country into a chaos. If there's one thing that the EFF political party has proven, it is proven that it is not for the South African people. Ayibakhathalanga abantu baseMzantsi Afrika. It is an agenda that is against the South African people. uMalema nombutho bakhe abayixabisanga into ethethwa by the South African people. Baxabise qha into bana thina masingagxotha amaZimbabwe namaNigeria, masibanike amaphepha aze bavumelwa abahlali beSouth Africa. How is it that you care more about the foreigners, abantu bangaphandle, more than you care about abantu balapha ngaphakathi? Iphinde ke nina ke lo muntu nimvotele. Are you voting for EFF kuba nibona EFF is for the South African people, is advocating for the South African people? Okanye nivotele EFF kuba nicapukile ANC? Nivotela EFF kuba nibona EFF iyasebenza yenza into enongqondo apha eSouth Africa? Okanye nivotele EFF kuba nicapukile ANC? Ndingathitheleli ANC, but I'm just curious.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.